Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to draw and color Beautiful Dinosaur. Let's go, starting. So friends, now I'm going to start drawing. First, I'm going to draw the face of this dinosaur. Then I'm taking the dinosaur's body and hand. I am drawing the two legs of this dinosaur. I will draw a tail on the back, friends. Now I will draw some long lines on the dinosaur's body for Pop IT. Friends, keep watching. It will be great. Now I'll round it up just like this. And this is the Pop IT dinosaur. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to color the first two places pink. I'm giving it a green color now. Finally, the sky blue color. Same color. Red color. Purple color. Okay, our drawing is complete, friends. Like and share. See you later in the video. Bye-bye.